Lovelies, welcome back again to my channel. In today's hair tutorial, I'm going to be walking you through on how you can style your princess or your boy a natural hairstyle. So this hairstyle is good both for male and female. In case you have a male child and you're looking for easy hairstyle to style your handsome boy, yes, so this hairstyle is also good. So, and this hair has never been relaxed. I mean, fresh premise. So, if you want to know how you can easily style this hairstyle, watch this video till the end. Let me walk you through on how to do it. Not just how to make this hair. I'm also going to tell you how to care for your natural hair. All right, mommies, are you ready? So let's get started. First thing first, I always moisturize my kids' hair before I start making their hair. So sometimes I do it in the camera, sometimes I do it behind the camera. But I assure you, I always moisturize their hair. So you can either start moisturizing it first before you spray rosemary water. Is very important. You always spray the hair, most especially when you are making a fresh perming like this. So after I've done that, spraying the hair, moisturizing the hair, so I pat the hair from, I section the hair from front till back straight down. So I'm going to section it from side to side, just one. Then I'll make one straight down, just like so. Then I'm going to, after sectioning it, I'm going to be using Shana Jam hair gel to clear the part, then maintain it, and we just weave that one first from front till back. So just like the way I'm handling it now. So someone asked me, what if I don't have Shana Jam? Can I use a natural and another hair gel in my hair? Yes, you can use it. You can use it for your child or you can use it for yourself. They have a lot of hair gel you can use or hair control that you can use. But you know, sometimes some hair control they leave white substance in our kids' hair. So in case you come across some product that leave white substance to your child hair, so this is what you should do. Always when you apply the hair gel and you see that it's leaving hair white substance, you add hair oil to it or hair cream, which is hair food. It will help. Explain. I hope you see the way I weave it straight down from front straight to the back. So I weave it there like that. Then when I'm about to close up the tip, I twist the tip. I didn't weave it till the tip. I twist the tip. The reason for this is it will make your child always have, or your hair always, it's like you are tipping your hair. You know, when your hair have tip, is very good to make. So that is why most of my kids' hair, when I'm making their hair, most of the time when I'm making my kids' hair, I always twist the end of the hair, just like when you are making a extension, using extension braid, you know. So I recommend when you are making your child natural hair, you should always finish it with twisting. This way, the hair, even if the hair is short, the hair will have a tip. I hope you're understanding the way I'm explaining it. And while you are listening to me, I hope you're seeing the way I'm patting just the sectioning the hair. And yeah, I'm going to start from this side till the front before we enter the other side. So the reason I start this hair from the back, some people could start their sectioning from the front to the back. But if you want to get the cutting, I recommend you start your cutting from the back, because once you get the back side, the front will just fall in place, you know. And when I finish this side now, I want to start the other side. The same thing I'm going to do. I'm going to start it from the back. You know, when you make one side, one thing about this kind of hairstyle, when you make one side, is very easy. So when you are making the other side, it's even more easier. You know why? Because you're going to be using the other line, the way you line the other side, you know, and you're going to use it to gauge the other side. So it will be very easy for you to follow. once you get the first part, the second part will be easy. I hope you understand what I'm explaining. Yeah. So I'm just trying to like explain the way you will understand it well. So, and if you see the front of my daughter's hair, like not the one I'm doing now, this one, just keep watching, you will see what I'm about to explain now. But if you want to know the kind of hair gel I'm using now, or the name of the things I'm using, although I'm not using much things anyway, I just use hair gel, a moisturizer, and rosemary water. Okay, and rosemary water, not just rosemary water, I added some things to it, which I promise I will be dropping the video soon. But this video is already in my channel. I'm just looking for a right time to publish it. So, and just check the description of this video. Everything will be listed there. If you watched it this time, it means you are enjoying the video. Thank you so much for your support. This is the first time of coming across my channel. Thank you for stopping by. And please, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell so you get notified whenever I upload a new video. Most of the things we do in this our channel here is making my kids hair. These are most the main thing I do here. So I also make adult hair, but most of the time is my children's hair. So to my returning subscriber, thank you so much for your endless support. I appreciate you all, both my new and my old subscribers. God bless you abundantly. In front of this hair now, if your this is what I was trying to explain. If your child front hair is not that long, you can add not hair extension. If not, it will look different. You should add kinky afro to it. When you add kinky afro to it, it will looks like her natural or his natural hair. Okay, so you see what I explained before when I said when you section that other side, the first part, when you are taking this second part, it will be easy. Do you know why? Because you are following the line of the other one to get this one. So the same way we make the other side, the same way I'm also making here. So you see that this hairstyle is very, very easy. Like, it's so easy to follow. How to care for this kind of hairstyle. Mhm. So in case you made this hairstyle for your child, or for yourself, or for your children, um you always, what this is what I do. Okay, let me tell you how I maintain their hair. I first spray rosemary water. It's not only when I'm making their hair I spray it. No, when I'm done making the hair, before I add hair oil to the hair. The oil I'm using for them, I made it myself too. So before I start applying the oil in the line, I first spray it with rosemary water. So like this, it will keep their hair soft and their hair nice, and it will stop their hair from breaking. We all know how rosemary water or rosemary is really good for our hair. So before I put the oil, I also have the oil here in my channel. Guys, just stick to my channel and I'll be showing you guys on how to create or how to make oil for your hair or for your child hair. Okay, so when I spray the water, I use my hand to like put it a little. Then before I will add the oil, the hair will always look fresh and beautiful, you know. And after I do that, I just use my hairbrush, not this normal soft brush, to brush in the front. Then their hair will look always fine, because my kids' hair always look fine even before I undo them. I think I will have to make a video when I'm on making their hair, because I make their hair every 2 weeks. I have to make a video when I'm on making their hair, so you'll see how their hair looks like. Okay, so this is the end of this video, and I hope you enjoy watching this video. If you do, please don't fail to give this video a thumbs up, comment, and also help us to share. Thank you so much. And until I come your way next time, stay safe and remain blessed. Bye for now. One love.